Hello everyone, here we are in Tennessee on the Georgia line. We are at the Ruby Falls on Lookout Mountain, and it was an amazing adventure. And if you be patient, Patty will be posting it, and you can subscribe to her YouTube channel, and you'll see some amazing pictures. Other than that, the weather has been great. I've been to Tennessee maybe 30 years ago. It hasn't changed much, but we are enjoying ourselves, and I hope you enjoy Patty's upcoming subscription videos.
Thank you อันนี้เป็นในถ้ำของ Ruby Fall it's like a crystal chandelierจุดนี้เรียกว่าจุด Niagara Fall
Have y'all ever been there?
Wow,
You haven't been to Niagara Falls?
No, not yet.
Actually.
I haven't either. Now you can say you've been to the rock version. ธรรมชาตินี่เป็นอะไรที่สวยงามจริงๆOn the way to White Water Rafting วันนี้จะไปล่องแพกันนะคะจะดูซิว่ามันจะน่ากลัวและตื่นเต้นขนาดไหนเมืองคลีฟแลนด์รัฐเทนเนสซีBeautiful day วันนี้พวกเราจะไปล่องแก่งกันนะคะลองดูซิว่าจะตื่นเต้นและน่ากลัวขนาดไหนว้าว this is a big flag Cherokee Rafting ล่องแก่งเมืองคลีฟแลนด์รัฐเทนเนสซีนี้ก็ได้ have fun
I looked at for the sign and I was like, I like that driveway. We're going there. Pulled in there and bought it.
This one is beautiful
So are these are all newer houses?
Newer than our neighborhood, but probably like what, 20 years old?
Yeah, I'm guessing
20,
90s,
25?
But they're still building new ones. So.
There's still people who have plots.
It's the same developer as ours.
That's a beautiful
Yeah.
See, our house is not quite that red, but they lime washed it, so it gives it that white look, which they only last like 5 or 6 years. See, I feel your pain, dude. I feel your pain.
Do they don't pick up the cuttings, right? The cuttings
Yeah, they
are
will.
spewed out. Oh, do they?
Yeah, I mean,
They pile them up.
you can, if you bag them, the city will come get them. But I just throw them. I throw mine back in the yard because it's kind of like a mulch.
So they leave the cuttings
Mhm.
on the property.
No problem.
So you couldn't. This would not. This isn't enough privacy for you guys.
No.
But this is such a cute neighborhood.
Some of them maybe. I just don't like the whole.
Well, thanks for your insight, Bill, because I was really about to save up and renovate.
Vendor said something. Another vendor did
Oh
something.
yeah, all the time.
You know, and they're
All
both
the
both snarky bitches in my opinion. But they're so hard-headed, these contractors. Like nobody wants to be wrong because they have more insurance claims they have on their policy than